Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to use Google Maps offline, and now let's dive right in. Now to use Google Maps offline on your phone, guys, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, in order to use your Google Maps offline, you'll be required to download the range of the map which you want to use even offline. To do that, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the offline maps option available for us just below the location sharing. Tap on offline maps, and this kind of interface will appear. Now, in order to use your offline Google Maps, tap on the select your map. By this process, guys, you will be able to choose the range of the map of the location which you want to use offline. And after choosing the range of the location which you want to use the map on, tap on the download button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then that map will be downloaded on your phone momentarily. So let's wait for that map to be downloaded on our phone. And you can see, guys, the maps has been downloaded on our phone. And now, in order to use your Google Maps offline, you can use your maps, this map, guys, which is the original interface of the Google Maps as it is. You can use your offline maps as you use your online maps. The only problem will arise is that if you go out of the range of that map, you will be required to turn on your data or your Wi-Fi in order to update the range of the map which you want to go. And with that being said, guys, normally use your Google Maps on your Google Maps application as you use your online map. It will be same like that. No, anything is required to add to it. But the only problem, again, you will be required to update your map if you once go out of the range of that map which you have downloaded it. And with that being said, guys, this is how to use your Google Maps offline. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.